accident over there. A nice clear 2, a clear 4, and a Monday. Guys, this is just a quick video, just to thought I would take you guys along with me for a drive today. Fetch my money and leave it from work. But yeah, I thought I would make a video just because I haven't been active on the YouTube for a long time now. So I picked the worst day to be on the roads because it's raining and it looks like there's trees and I don't know, just flooded and it just looks miserable. But yeah, I thought I would make a quick video just to say hello to everybody, and yeah, I would let you guys know my plans going forward. I would like to make more videos. I'm not gonna promise anything, but yeah, I would like to start making videos, more videos when I can. More driving videos, more car videos, just normal day-to-day videos rather than not making anything. But yeah, I need to really replace those wipers. Those wipers is something after summer it's seen its days, because it's making a hell of a noise. It all does its job, but I don't like that sound. Anyway guys, yeah, more things to come in the future. We will definitely be making more videos, hopefully soon. And yeah, more videos on this car. You guys haven't really seen this car. I've had this car for I think 5-6 years now, and you guys haven't seen this car once. So I've done a few tastes for the upgrades to it. But yeah, more videos on this car, more upgrades for this car. And yeah, then more videos I post, more videos you guys will see. Hopefully all goes well, you should get a video at least one video a week, hopefully. But anyways guys, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this little drive with me, and yeah, almost at my location. It won't be too long of a video. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.